Why spend your hard-earned money on tools like Midjourney when you can achieve incredible results for free? Today, I'll introduce you to 5 new and trending free AI image generators that are shaking up the creative world. These tools are beginner-friendly, packed with features, and most importantly, completely free to use. If you're looking to explore AI art or enhance your creative projects without breaking the bank, keep watching till the end. I've got a bonus tip just for you. What are AI image generators? AI image generators are advanced tools that use artificial intelligence to create visually stunning images from text prompts. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or hobbyist, these tools can save you time and effort while delivering high-quality results. Let's explore 5 amazing options that will make you wonder why you ever paid for AI tools. 5 free AI image generators. You should try number 1, DeepAI Art Generator. This platform offers a range of styles, from realistic to abstract. It's beginner-friendly and lets you generate unlimited images without watermarks. Just type in your idea, and DeepAI brings it to life. Number 2, Crayon. Formerly DALL-E Mini, Crayon is ideal for creating fun, quirky, and experimental art. It's lightweight, fast, and doesn't require an account, making it a hassle-free option for quick projects. Number 3. Runway Mel's text to image. Known for its versatility, Runway Mel allows you to generate high-quality images and edit them in real time. It's perfect for creators who want a bit of extra control over their visuals. Number 4. Imagine.art. Perfect for creating fantasy landscapes or vibrant abstract designs. The intuitive interface makes it great for beginners. Number 5. Photo AI Art Generator. Photo combines simplicity with power. With an easy-to-navigate interface, it creates vibrant and polished visuals that are great for social media, blogs, or personal projects. How to get the best results? To create stunning images, follow these tips. Tip 1. Be specific in your prompts. For example, instead of a mountain, try a snow-capped mountain under a starry night sky, with northern lights in the background. Tip 2. Experiment with styles like realistic, cartoonish, or surreal, to see what works best for your project. Tip 3. Adjust settings like resolution and aspect ratio for the most professional look. Conclusion. Why pay for premium tools when these free options offer exceptional quality? From illustrations to photorealistic art, these platforms can do it all. Start creating today and see how easy it is to bring your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI tools. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.